Welcome back class 10th student. In the previous lecture we have discussed about the work, and now today we are going to discuss about the power. Means a rate of work done is called power or capacity. So power is equals to work done of per unit of time. We can say the body having the number of this type of power. And so many times I asked the question in the classroom, okay, what is the exactly difference of work and power? So and so many times students are saying, sir, power means strength, work means we are doing some things. So मैं कहता हूँ नहीं, how to explain the difference of the work and the power when a small or in a junior student is asked the question, okay, please explain the difference of work and power in real world scenario, what exactly. So I just give, अभी तो time नहीं है कि I am asking a question and you will reply the answer. It is because the video is a one-way communication. So हम ही सुना रहे हैं, आपसे कुछ कंफर्म नहीं कर रहे हैं. कंफर्म करते हैं तो यू आर नॉट वॉचिंग वीडियोज़ ऑन टाइम, राइट. आप अपने तरीके से वीडियोज़ वॉच कर रहे हैं. सो द नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज़ आई ऑलवेज गिव एन एग्जाम्पल टू द स्टूडेंट. सपोज द टू बॉय working in a house, and outside the house 100 brick are placed outside the house or home, and the father told कि please इन 100 bricks को उठा करके यहाँ ले आओ, अंदर ले आओ. and दोनों ही बच्चों से कहा कि pick up all these 100 bricks and इसको आप यहाँ ला करके रख दें. One of the boy shift all the 100 bricks, and the second is also be shift all the 100 bricks. So work done is same. Because of that he lift up the load, or you can say the apply the force, and displacement is the same, so work is same. But one boy take a time is 1 hour, and the second boy take a time is 45 minutes. So there is only difference of the power and the work is we are compare the work with respect to the time. Now we are going to compare the work with respect to the time. Means we can say the second boy having more power compared to the first one, because he take a less time compared to the other one. One is take a 1 hour, second take 45 minutes. Second boy finished their work 15 minutes earlier from the second one. So we can say the second boy having more power, and this one is a less power compared to the second boy. So if you see the formula minutely, again say power is inversely proportional of time. Means if you take more time, then power is less. If you take less time, power is more. Now it is a very simple theory to explain the junior students, or you can compare with power and work. Now if you go to the SI unit is joule per second. In short, by named we are saying watt, और watt भी नहीं लिखते, we are saying capital W. It is a watt from the name of the scientist, you know, James Watt. And what James Watt explained a very good scene to explain what is the role of the power, and using of this power James Watt invent a steam engine. So जब उनको ये क्लियर हो गया कि पावर जो है उसकी इम्पोर्टेंस कितनी है, तो उसी स्टीम पावर का यूज़ करके उन्होंने डिज़ाइन किया था, दैट इज़ अ स्टीम इंजन. सो पावर इज़ W/T, और द SI unit is a watt. Some higher units, watt is a smaller unit. few other units of power is are, कई सारी यूनिट्स हैं तो few other units हम लिख रहे हैं. The one is 1 kilowatt. 1 kilowatt is equals to 10 to the power 3 watt. 1 megawatt we are saying 10 to the power 6 watt, and the one is using 1 horsepower. It is used in the real world. 1 horsepower, that is equals to 746 watt. The three important higher unit of watts used in a questions or used in a real world. So that power is a small topic. One thing I want to discuss again, W upon T. If you break W upon T is force into displacement upon time. Our new formula is force into displacement upon time taken is a velocity. So this one is power is F into V. As well as remember that power is a scalar quantity. Power is a scalar quantity. So that section is important. So about power is a scalar quantity. Now discuss small topic. Now discuss one thing is energy. Today I give you the basic and small idea about the energy. In the next video we will discuss mechanical energy and then explain the kinetic energy, potential energy, ठीक है, conservation of energy, right, in the next video. So energy is what exactly the energy? A very simple and easy language you can explain. We can explain capacity to do some work. Capacity to do some work is called energy. Capacity to do some work is called energy, right? By obviously we are eating some things, we eat something and after that we feel our body having some energy, and that energy utilized to perform a different task. So you can say the capacity to do some work is called energy. So that work and energy is a converted form to the each other. So the SI unit is same. SI unit of energy is same. That is called the joule. Though SI unit is same, आप समझ सकते हैं जो भी हम वर्क कर रहे हैं वो एक एनर्जी को ही हम यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं in a different forms. And so many types of energy, in so many types of energy you have already studied in class 6, 7th, 8th and 9th. एनर्जी की बात काफ़ी कही गई है, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एनर्जी लिखी गई हैं. लाइक पहला हमारे पास वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं मैकेनिकल एनर्जी, राइट. अभी हम सिर्फ हेडिंग्स बता रहे हैं आपको. सेकंड इज़ इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी, केमिकल एनर्जी, साउंड एनर्जी, हीट एनर्जी, ठीक है, थर्मोन्यूक्लियर एनर्जी और हाइड्रो एनर्जी, टाइडल एनर्जी, geothermal energy. So many example geothermal energy, and so many energy given in your book also, right? Just read it. The mechanical energy basically जब आपको क्लियर दिखाई दे जाए वर्क कन्वर्ट इनटू एनर्जी, वी कैन से इट इज़ ए मैकेनिकल एनर्जी. जब डायरेक्टली आपको दिख जाता है कि वर्क यहाँ कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, इन्हें कुछ मैकेनिकल वर्क करने में, कुछ वर्क को परफॉर्म करने में एनर्जी यूज़ हो रही है, तो उसे हम लोग बोल देते हैं मैकेनिकल एनर्जी. like kinetic energy and the potential energy are the two best example of the mechanical energy. इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी यू नो जो करंट आता है इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी यूज़ करते हैं. केमिकल एनर्जी इज जस्ट लाइक द सेल एनर्जी. साउंड एनर्जी व्हेन यू आर स्पीक समथिंग एंड एनर्जी वर्क इज कन्वर्ट इनटू द फॉर्म ऑफ राइट साउंड एनर्जी. हीट एनर्जी, हाइड्रो एनर्जी, जियोथर्मल एनर्जी, tidal energy. So you can read solar energy. So read one by one given in your book, and you can read properly in use of need this unit of this. मैथमेटिकली तो हम कल आपसे बात करेंगे. दैट इज़ ए टाइप्स ऑफ एनर्जी की बात. तो आज इतना ही आपको लर्न करना है. जस्ट रीड इट अबाउट द एनर्जी एंड टाइप्स ऑफ एनर्जी. वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द मैकेनिकल एनर्जी and the further unit conversion units kilowatt hours study in the next video. I hope I will try to finish this theory related to the work power energy in the next video. Next video maybe large one, that is a 20 or 25 minutes video. So thank you, enjoy yourself, take care, bye bye.